In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset element styles in Base44. If you've ever been experimenting with styles in your Base44 project and realize that things don't look quite right anymore, knowing how to reset your changes can be a real lifesaver. Maybe you adjusted fonts, colors, spacing, or layout, and now the page doesn't match your original design. Instead of manually undoing each change and hoping you don't miss anything, Base44 gives you a way to quickly go back to a previous version using version history. To get started, make sure you're in the Base44 editor with the project and page you want to fix open on your screen. You should be in the editing or preview environment, where you normally adjust elements and styles. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Version History. This is usually located near the top of the editor interface, often in a toolbar or menu where other project level options appear. Click on Version History. This will open a panel or window that shows a list of previously saved versions of your project. Each version typically includes a timestamp and sometimes a short description or note, depending on how your workspace is set up. Think of this as a timeline you can scroll through to see how your project has changed over time. Now, from this list, you'll want to select the version that has the element styles you want to restore. Take a moment to look at the dates and times to find the point before your unwanted style changes were made. If you're not completely sure which one is correct, it can be helpful to start with the most recent version before things went wrong. Click to select that version in the list. In many editors, selecting a version will either show you a preview of that state or give you an option to restore it. This is the key step that effectively resets your element styles back to how they were at that time. By doing this, you don't need to manually undo each style property. Instead, you're rolling back to a clean, known good version. After selecting the version, confirm any prompts to apply or restore it, then review your page to make sure the elements now look the way you expect. If it's not quite right, you can repeat the process and select an earlier version until you're satisfied. And that's all there is to it. Use version history, select the right version, and your element styles in Base44 are reset.